The order that the dashboards are listed from left to right along the dashboard bar and from top to bottom in the dashboard menu is defined by the priority ordering of the dashboards. Favorite dashboards are displayed along the dashboard bar, and you can also see them listed in the All Dashboards menu. The highest priority favorite dashboard is displayed on the left. If there isn't enough room to display all of the favorites, then the rightmost entries are removed first. If I were to reduce the width of this window, look what happens to the list of 6 standard favorite dashboards. As the window becomes too narrow to contain them all, the ones on the right are disappearing first. You'll also notice that the dashboard has reorganized itself to a scrolling dashboard with the individual dashlets on top of each other, because that's the best way to use the available window. The highest priority favorite is on the left, and it's the dashboard that will be displayed by default. When the dashboard context is changed, the default dashboard will be displayed unless there's a dashboard with the same name as was previously being displayed. For example, I'm now displaying the N-bar dashboard for a device. If I were to select a view, there is also an N-bar dashboard for the view, so it will continue using the N-bar dashboard for the view. If I were to have been using the ports dashboard for a device and I now select a view, there is no corresponding ports dashboard at the view level, so the default dashboard, the one on the left of the favorites, which is the summary dashboard in my case, is the one now being displayed. Changes to dashboard settings can be made by users who are either administrators or members of a user group with dashboard management permission. The priority order of the dashboards can be changed from within the dashboard configuration screen. There's a dashboard menu option and a corresponding blue button called Change Dashboard Order to do this. Simply drag and drop a dashboard in the list to change its priority. For example, I could take the Map dashboard and place that above the Summary dashboard in priority order. When I go back to the main dashboards, you'll see the Map has now become the default because it's the highest priority favorite dashboard. Whether a dashboard is visible and whether it's promoted to be a favorite is controlled by the user group permission settings. These can be edited along with other dashboard settings. If 2 or more dashboards have exactly the same name, then only the highest priority one will be accessible. I've previously created a custom dashboard called Special Map. Although it's enabled and as an administrator I have access to it, it's not currently listed as a favorite dashboard, which is why it wasn't appearing on the favorites line. I could change that by editing it, selecting its settings, and for the administrators group, not only grant it access, but consider it to be a favorite. When I exit the dashboard configuration page and go back to the dashboards, you'll see that it now appears as a favorite, and in fact it's the highest priority favorite. This needn't be the case. I could change its order as I showed you earlier. If I wanted this dashboard, instead of being called Special Map, to actually become the new Summary dashboard and replace the existing one, I could do that simply by changing its name. I'll select its settings, which is how you change its name, and I'm going to call it Summary. It has a higher priority than the original Summary dashboard, so when I go back and display the dashboards, you'll no longer see the original Summary dashboard. You now only see the new one that I've created. In my case, only the administrators would see that because only the administrators have access to that dashboard, which means that non-administrators would therefore see the ordinary Summary dashboard because they don't have my special dashboard overriding it.